For today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have a creamy Sriracha Dip. This is a perfect dip when you're eating chips, watching the big game. It isn't terribly spicy, but it does have a kick to it. So anyway, we'll start off with a cup of sour cream and then a quarter cup of mayonnaise. Eyeball about 2 teaspoons of sriracha. Then you want a half a teaspoon of onion powder. And then a quarter teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And then 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped chives. And then basically the only thing left to do is grab something and mix the dip. And that's pretty much it. Keeps for a couple weeks in the fridge. And I don't think it'll last that long because it's a really good dip. So that's creamy sriracha chip dip. Done.